So let's move to the next question. 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta, and prove that tan theta is equal to 1 or half. Now, see, when I look at this tan theta, I get some clue about what might be happening. So what I do is I take this 1 plus sine square theta, 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. I divide the left hand side and the right hand side by cos square theta. And let's see what happens next. So this will be equal to 1 upon cos square theta plus sine square theta by cos square theta would be equal to 3 sine theta by cos theta. 1 upon cos square theta is equal to secant square theta plus tan square theta equal to 3 tan theta. Now, slowly you will understand that this is becoming a quadratic equation. Why? Because 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So, I can replace this secant square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So, this will become 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta would be equal to 3 tan theta. So, this will be equal to 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. What I have done is, I have taken this tan square theta plus tan square theta. This is 2 tan square theta. This 3 tan theta will come on the left hand side and this is 1. So, 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So, this is basically a quadratic equation. Now, just to make it simple and, repeating tan theta again and again, let me replace tan theta by x so that x is because simpler to write. So, I'll write this as 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to. So, as you can see, this is a quadratic equation. So, minus 2. So, I can write this as 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 is equal to 2x is common. So, x minus 1 equal to 0. This will be equal to 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to half or x is equal to 1. Now, my x was actually tan theta, which implies tan theta equal to half or tan theta is equal to 1. And that is what needs to be proved, that tan theta is equal to 1 or tan theta is equal to half.